Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing the night before the blizzard. Wait, chaos mode? Insane mode, bruh. No. So I've never noticed they have a chaos mode and insane mode. That's crazy. And guys, make sure to like and subscribe as well if you want more. Solo blizzard. I like when they when you're alone, they call it a solo blizzard, and that's kind of the same thing. Solo blizzard. And then wait, where am I going? I'm going circles. Oh, I was lagging. I might have to turn down the graphics. Put wood in the fireplace. I might have to turn down the graphics on this. Turn on the TV. And try to find a drink, like Gatorade or something. I'm pretty sure that's the old Roblox drink. Yeah.
A severe snowstorm is approaching, bringing heightened risks. And for your safety, stay indoors.
Yeah.
Avoid unnecessary travel.
The Dave. I listen to the TV. Who needs to listen to the TV? Where's the drink, my boy? I'm probably going to look everywhere here just to find the drink, and it's going to be here. Right? It's gotta be here. No? Are they trolling me right now? Plushie, okay. That's a cool plushie. Prepare for the blizzard. I didn't even find the... Let me go outside real quick. Let me get some firewood. Minding my own business. I'm pretty sure I should get a lot of firewood to survive. I'll probably get 2 firewoods. Put them here. I'll put 3 at the same time. Bruh, I just got slammed by the door. Nobody slams me with the door. I hate this game. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm not a hater of this game. I actually like this game. But I don't like when they slam the door in my face. Yeah, I'm preparing for the blizzard. Yeah, 3 out of 3. Oh, the fire's dying actually. Give me that. Let me get more firewood actually. Because I want a whole stack. Open the door. Did I get slapped? No. And guys, I did Five Nights at Freddy's. I might do it again. Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's. Well, because this is not Five Nights at Freddy's. This is Night Before the Blizzard, created by the dev. Okay. Now we wait. I probably would skip. Yeah, let's skip this. Skip. Yeah, I don't have all day. Okay, I probably should not have done that actually. I take back my decision actually. I would not like to skip. Is the fire dying? Is it full? Oh wait, no. I probably would survive this actually. Except for 2. And I'm not going back up to get more. Bro, I can kind of see the blizzard. Why did I literally go there? The blizzard can heal me. The fire can heal me. I already have. The fire can heal me. Bro, why does the fire go down so quickly? No way the fire goes down that quickly. Fire go down. Fire go down. Fire. Fire. Wait, let me make a copy of this. Wait, I can't make a copy. Let's see. Can I get more wood, please? That's all my wood. I'm not going back. I didn't even notice the monster was there. We try to make a copy of the fire. Okay, probably end of our video, guys. Hope you like and subscribe as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.